So we're looking at the product of three integers. We can name the integers as a, b, and c. The product of them is 60, and we're trying to find the least possible value, possible positive, highlight that, sum of the three integers. And we know that all of them can't be positive. All the integers can't be positive. To make it to the most optimal combination, we want to make sure that two of the integers are negative. So let's just say b is negative and c is also negative. Two negatives multiplied together makes a positive, multiplied by another positive is equal to a positive. And 60 is a positive integer. And then we just have to test. So we'll first test the positive combinations and then put which values are negative. So 1, 60, 1, 2, 30, 1, 3, 20. I mean, all of these are too big, so we don't have to really list them because as you see here, these two have to be negative, because if then 20 is negative, then it would be, the sum would be a negative number. So we don't have to list these. We can go all the way up to 415 still won't work. 5 and 12 won't work. 1, 6, 10. And now we're seeing that the value of the sum is getting smaller and smaller. If we put these two numbers as negative, which is, if we make these two numbers negative, then, and it's the only possible solution of the negative 10 obviously can't be negative. So 1, 6, 10, that's already a pretty low sum, which is a sum of 3. Let's see if we can get lower. And no, we can't, because then we just flip to the other side. We flip to the other side and we have now 10 and 6. So with some testing, you'll see you can also start with 2 and like 2, 15, 2, let's see, 3, 10, and you'll never get a lower sum than 3. So you can obviously list all the possible solutions out, and then pick the lowest one. And we already saw the lowest solution, lowest possible solution, and it's a sum of 3 with -1, -6, and 10. Okay, so the answer is B.